Hi guys, my name is Tara. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I do this very grunge smoky eye look using my Grunge Baby by Swatch Queen palette. My nephew Sawyer totally inspired me and sent me a couple looks, so I thought I'd have fun playing makeup. And I really like how this turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, my thoughts on this palette, keep on watching. So like you see in the title, we are gonna do a grungy smoky eye, and I am gonna use my Grunge Baby by Swatch Queen palette. I have used this palette before. In fact, even filmed a video, but it just was shit. So we're going in with it again. I did love this palette. It was $24 and it came in like record time, which was also really cool. So I've already primed, I did my brows, primed my lids, and then put some powder on them. So let's jump into this. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Sunflower with a bigger fluffy brush and start working that on the crease. Smoky eyes, especially with black, take a lot of patience, just back and forth with blending, really. So I will probably have to speed through, cut out a lot of that blending, but just know it's definitely going down. These colors really perform quite well, and they blend quite well. I was really impressed. And also one thing that I really like about this palette, you get a black, you get a dark brick, and a dark brown to deepen up your look. I don't know what color, so we got Nirvana, Rust, and Grunge. I don't know which one I want to use. So I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Grunge next. So just taking like a smaller, fluffier brush. And you definitely want to like look forward and make sure that you are going up so that you're gonna see that color if you want it to show, which why wouldn't you? I'm gonna use the same brush and jump into a little bit of grime and blend that out. Just to make the yellow a little bit more mustard toned. These blend just so effortlessly. And you really want to focus too to make sure you're blending it on the inner corner, because you won't be going over that with anything because you're doing, you know, a full smoky eye. So next I am going to hop into a little bit of Nirvana. You do not have to use every color in a palette either. I'm having fun here. I'm gonna go in with some Nevermind as well, because I do like that look of like the dark brown transitioning to the black. I mean, look at that. just no time at all. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. So now it's time to go in with the black, which still makes me a little nervous because you know what? You can be doing makeup forever and still fuck up. It doesn't matter. So I like to use the base. I usually use like a gel liner. I don't know where mine is right now. So I'm just gonna use this Midnight Mystery Revlon lipstick that I got for this look, and I'm gonna pop that on my lid. I think this is only like $5. I like to get it really up in that lash line so you don't have like gapping. Of course, if you're gonna go in with like a liquid liner, you don't really need to worry about that, but I'm not doing that today. There's very little fallout from this palette also, for as pigmented as these shadows are. I mean, I'm about to go as far as to say they're some of my favorite shadows. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Insomnia, the black color of the palette. Just smooth over those edges. And if you lose some of the black color, you definitely can go back in and just pack some more on. It is a lot of back and forth. I don't feel like I'm fully like losing any of that black color though. I'll tell you, these shadows. So this is the eye look so far. I'm gonna toss on my base and I'll be right back. Maybe my base and my lash. Okay, so this is where we are at. I just did my skin. The only thing that I'd say that a lot of people don't mention is don't go too light, especially if you have discoloration like myself. You don't wanna go too light under here because then it just, I don't know, darken it up to kind of cover up any blue tones or purple tones that you have under there so it doesn't look like a black eye. I really should just do this more, but I'm lazy, so I just had the wrong color, so I just mixed two to make it a little bit darker just to match the rest of my face, and you're gonna look a little bit more youthful because remember when we lighten, that can enhance those fine lines or the visibility of those fine lines. There the fuck you go, that's my TikTok. So we're lining with black. I got my lashes on, same old lashes I've been using. How sultry that is already. I'm gonna use this really baby brush and I'm gonna dip into the dark brown color we used, Never Mind, and I'm gonna smudge that out using that color. You can use the black if you'd like. Sorry, I'm blocking. This is like a purple brown. It's quite unique and gorgeous. This palette is really so wearable, plus you can create a fucking look like this. Like, come on now. Come on. You can do a sunset eye, neutral look. You got some pink up there. So taking a slightly bigger brush, I'm gonna jump into Grime and put that just under. I wanna keep the funner colors up top. You can definitely bring those down as well. Okay, so just taking a clean blending brush, I'm gonna buff those out. My hair. Okay, I'm gonna pop on a lip and I'll be right back. All right, and this, no, this isn't the completed look. Let's put just a little bit of highlighter on. Just on the inner corner and maybe on my nose. This is just Ofra's Rodeo Drive. So just using my eyeliner and then the black lipstick I popped that on and I put a little bit of the eyeshadow on it to set it because it's a little shiny. Black lips are just, I feel so funny, like cute enough when you're like posed, but to sit here and talk in black lips kinda, it's definitely a vibe like only certain people can pull off, and I don't know that I am that person, but cute for pictures, cute for the look. This would look great with a red lip, a nude lip, hell, a pink lip, it doesn't matter. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and I hope you learned something. Bye. Bye.